Right, today we've got a Toshiba HP 500 gig HDD. We're gonna open it up. Ignore that piece. I see we've got the this is clearly the brake disc to emergency stop your computer. Oh, that looks like a caliper. What? No, it's gone. These here are for the brake fluid. Those tiny little lines are the hoses. Oh boy, I can really rip this apart. As we can see, the brake disc is about 2 discs thick. That's not very good. It means we don't have a lot of stopping power. Let's see if I can open up anything else. Does it want to open? There we go. That's one click. That's another one. Ignore my dirty fucking hands. You know, I'll just yep. Don't need those fucking screws. You know what? Let's just grab the cunt. Whoa, what the fuck is that? So these here are the hose connections that would go into the computer's intercooler. And then this is how it connects to the hose lines. Alright. What else can be taken out? You know, let's take out the brake disc. Ah, spinny, are we? Right, now that I've got the camera propped up, we can open up the disky thingy. It sure loves to fucking spin. You know what? I can stop that. Maybe I cannot. It appears I cannot get the disc. Only one option left. Right, I think I've reduced it down to 1 GB memory now. Quite frankly, that looks like a fucking mirror. So, I guess that concludes the teardown of the hard drive. See you later, fuckers.